Sorry, YouTubers, but I thought the fourth part was the grand finale, but I guess not. There are more train whistles. But I'm gonna do train horns in the future, so hope you enjoy this video. Let's get on with it.
Not in a car, now let me be! In the rain, not on a train!
To let an express full of happy Christmas travelers pass.
A quartet of steel arteries reaching into infinity.
That must be it.
Oh, you tricked me! No fair!
What can he do? His time is over. There's only a few seconds left. Can he do it in time? Wait a minute. What's that sound? It can't be!
A neat way to travel.
In cooperation with its eastern connection.